Hey Metalord members, I wanted to show you real quick, if you want to start mapping to earn OVR token rewards right now, you can actually sign up by clicking on, let me show you where. You go to OVR.AI blog, they have this map to earn tokenomic blog, and they're doing this right now. They're still accepting people right now. You come down here and you basically click at the very bottom. They have an alpha version. Basically what they're doing is they're having like 6,000 to 8,000 people go ahead and start this in the month of February. And so click on this request. It's going to open up a form that is very like clunky, like they didn't do it right inside this website. But if you just scroll, you can see that you can enter your name. I see why people aren't finding this. And you fill in your first name, your last name, your email. You got to go to your OVR account and find your account ID, which if you don't know where that is, I'm going to show you in 2 seconds. And then you say, do you own any OVR lands? Say yes. Unity skills, say beginner, and then press submit. Go over to profile. And this is your UUID. So copy that, click copy. So click copy, go back to the blog, paste it in, and then you will be able to submit yourself to start earning tokens, and you will have the map to earn feature turned on your phone. And everyone else will get it in a few months.
The sun is shining, I knew it would. The world's a playground, I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.